Position the axes so the blades face each other and point upward. During the opening shift, rotate your hips to the left. With your left foot forward and right foot back. Transition into the Bagua step single palm change. The key is to keep your shoulders, arms, and wrists relaxed. Circle the axes to form a round shape, completing the Shitsi Chinchio. Now, demonstrating Qinglong Chushu A, green dragon emerges from water. Explaining the essential movement techniques. Qinglong Chushu follows the previous movement. Execute a reverse hook with the axes toward the right rear. Simultaneously lift your left leg while hooking. Step down with your left leg and move into the Bagua step. Advance forward using the Tongni mud wave.